In this video, I'm going to be presenting the best 4K monitor for 3D modeling. In this video, I want to talk about what I believe is going to be a top pick for a monitor if you want to focus on 3D modeling. As you can see, it is going to be this particular one from LG. So if you want more information about it, you can find it on their website. So this is going to be the model number, the 32UL950W. It is going to be a 32-inch 4K Ultra HD, and the model is going to be the Ultra Fine. This monitor offers HDR capabilities and FreeSync, which ensures a tear-free experience. So here is a 3 key point summary for you. It offers premium image quality for content creation, so it boasts a 4K nano IPS panel with a 98% DCI P3 color gamut coverage and VESA Display HDR 600 certification. This translates to excellent color accuracy, wide viewing angles, and good contrast for an IPS display, making it ideal for tasks that require precise color work and sharp details. It has strong connectivity with Thunderbolt 3, so a standout feature is the dual Thunderbolt 3 ports, one input with 60 watts power delivery and one output for daisy chaining, which allows for a single cable solution for video, audio, data transfer, and laptop charging. It is very convenient, especially for Mac users and professionals with compatible devices. And one thing to note is that while it includes FreeSync support, like I mentioned earlier, it has a 60 Hz refresh rate and 5 milliseconds of response time, so these are not going to be suited for competitive or high frame rate gaming. It can handle casual gaming, however, it is mainly aimed at professionals, so keep all of that in mind. Still, with all of that said, it is a wonderful pick if you want a 4K resolution on a monitor that can be used ideally for 3D modeling. Before I end the video, I want to make it very clear that when I was checking the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. Guys, by subscribing, you can help us achieve the best solutions for your problems. So I highly count on your subscription. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.